requesting for you guys to share Madi channel's link on your WhatsApp statuses. It won't cost you a thing. Imagine just sharing the link and that's it.
Yeah.
It won't cost you even $1.
Yeah.
Assalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatuh. Dhammaan meel walba adduunka aad ka joogtiin waa salaam walaalkiin Mahdi Media Channel. Maanta vlog garan haya insha Allah haduu ilaahmo vlogaas insha Allah haduu ilaahmo aan isoo yar duweyna ani iyo xabadaan biriga xabadaan isla joognaa si arkaysiin waxa waaye ayada hadda hoola ku jirta edit gareen marka waa kaasa haddana waa soconeynaa meel aan rabnaa meesha aan rabno aan gaarina insha Allah haduu ilaahay raali ka noqdo. Abayo, what are you going to say people now? It is short vlog now.
Okay.
Waa idin salaamay. Soo dhawaada Mahdi Media Channel. Meel walba adduunka aad ka joogtiin, wherever in the world.
Yes, make sure you subscribe to his channel, like his videos, and please watch. Leave comments down below. If you want him to do anything, maybe any vlog, what you would like him to do, just comment it down below there.
And we are going to do it.
We will hope on the challenge.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. So, continuing now. Yeah, we will continue this vlog. The next. Yeah.
Now you
Vlogging
see, then you can vlog like
Yes. With my sweet sister. Yeah. We are here today enjoying our vlogs. So, and she will say something to you.
this. Also, this guy Lee.
Lee Life Media. Yeah.
I'll buy next time.
أصحابتا حبدا اللي جبت ما دا حبدان كله وكل كعسنتا يسا أجيدين
واشيدان
هذه وشيدان تهاي وحبدا وشيدان إكيان كإما دادا يودا وشيدان إكيان كسومالي ما تنكسور بيني أبايو وعن كله هاي كسور له سومالي
أبايو مو visitor.
You know what the meaning of Abayo?
Yes, sister.
Sister, yes.
Yes.
Aboy?
Asante, aboy, brother.
Yeah.
Guri dalajo,
So she knows brother, Aboy waaye, Abayo, sister waaye, dhammaan way taqaanaa asxaabta waxaan idin leeyahay marka gabadhan walaasheena ah halagu yaaco channel leedahay channelkeeda waxa waaye Avon.
Yes, Yvonne Dona
Brand is her channel. Marka channelkeedu waa halagu yaaco la fiiriyo waa ayagana maxaa la jir vlogist waaye waxyaabo badan restaurant.
Yes, restaurant reviews.
Restaurant reviews sameysaa meelaha restaurantiga ay jeceshahay inay dad tusto quruxda badan kaale arag waxaan wadi doonaa Lido Beach waxaan geey doonaa hadduu ilaahay idmo beerta nabadda beerta banaadir Jazeera Beach aan tageynaa inta waa isla wareegi doonaa insha Allah hadduu ilaahay raali ka noqdo idinkan waxaan idinka baahannahay subscribe-ka iyo maxaa la jiri like-ta what you call like this
Yes, like and comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Gududkan girl
Yes.
the red button subscribe marka hadduu ilaahay idmo degeynaa laakiin ma naqaano in loo ogolaan karo inaan la degi karno. Can we go down when we are like this or they won't accept? So what are we going to do now?
The guy is left. The guy who told me to come. So I don't know.
So that's the challenge we have, guys. I don't know what we are going to do. Are you going just to shut off or we'll just wait, comment? Yeah. So no problem. We'll continue our vlogs when we are going to outside.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, we are not going together. We'll just be behind you.
Yeah.
For you guys, you are going Bajaj, and for us, we have our own border.
Okay.
So, I think you want to go and buy things from.
I don't know. I don't think I'll go because of time. It's late. Maybe next time.
She's saying next time. معنا وقتي حاجة عم وحي قد قدها معنا. مقصين. وحاليا نخويا مركا Friday. Only Friday. Our meeting will be only Friday. That's the program we have now.
Yeah.
From today, you will see this late to my channel.
Yeah.
And you will see me also to her channel.
Yeah.
And Lee Life Media also. So,
Busy.
yeah, it's so busy. Yeah.
Talking to a baby.
Can you see? He's talking to Bibi. So, what
Okay.
are you going to say now? The conclusion.
Thank you so much for the love, guys. I really appreciate it.
aad iyo aad aan maxaa la jiray idinku mahad celinaa jaceylka ana ay jeceshiin
Yeah, support me, support me.
taageera inay leedahay
Small
taageera
YouTuber.
weli small YouTube iska yara ahay taageera so what else do you, are you going to request them?
Watch my videos. Watch my videos. Comment
Videoalkii
down
ala
below.
fiirsado also comment gareeyo
You can tell me what you
hataa
think.
ii sheegi kartiin waxa adi aad horeysid ii sheegi kartaa
Yeah, and
markii aad fiirsatid waaye
if you know any place, nice restaurants, just comment down below and tell me, go visit this place and I will do it willingly.
haddii aad rabtid hotel ama restaurant oo inaan kusoo duubo aragtid ii soo sheeg commentiga kusoo qor markaa kusoo qortid kadibna waa kusoo sameynaa saasay ku leedahay baayiday waxaan ku leeyahay soo dhawow mar labaad second time welcome to Mahdi Media Channel. Every Friday we'll be together, we'll do our things and continue on the sky.
Yes.
Yeah, we need views.
Yes.
Huh?
So make sure you are watching our videos.
Watching, yeah.
Watching.
Ila idamat until the end.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you are requesting people. Please do as this.
Okay. Thank you.
Let me tell you people something. Waxa idin sheego. You know, my people sometimes, I think some of them they know English, some of them they don't know English. So I want to say some few Somali language. So marka waxaan rabaa ani horta waa noogi because I'm tired. I always tell them that subscribe, share, and some of them they don't do. I don't know why.
Please.
So can you ask them now?
Yes.
Ask.
I'm requesting for you guys to share Mahdi channel's link on your WhatsApp statuses. It won't cost you a thing. Imagine just sharing the link and that's it.
Yeah.
It won't cost you even $1.
Yeah.
Please share.
1 shilling Somali even.
Yes, just share.
Yeah.
Share.
Subscribe.
Tell your friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell your mom, tell your brothers, your sisters. Yeah. And your grandma. Your
yes.
grandma will enjoy this.
Will enjoy, yeah. ayayada xataa videogan waa ku raaxaysanaya waa fiirsanaysaa macnaa inay naftarkeeda wax fiirsato waa la rabaa naftarkeeda inay wax fiirsato waa la rabaa please ana yeelan ya akhay please subscribe guys please the thing we need is only subscribe, share, and thumbs up.
Yes. If you have these two small groups,
you can just share the link. wax lacag ma la qaadanay macnaha hadii oo group oo WhatsApp ka ku leedahay Facebook waa ku deen kartaa nadiif waa la fiirsaa waa aan la fiirsanaa laakiin idinku waa naga xasdoosin xasinimada dhaafa please xasinimada naga dhaafa aqay no share xasinimada do you know xasinimada so someone who doesn't want just to do your things that you call or refuse something to you.
What?
You have requested something to someone and he refused. What are you going to
Don't
say?
be mean.
Yes.
Being mean. Why are you being mean?
Don't be mean, please. How about Swahili?
Swahili. I don't know. Acha kukuwa na roho mbaya.
Ndio hiyo. Please, asikuwe roho mbaya.
Usikuwe na roho mbaya.
Pia kuwa na roho nzuri. Yes.
Post link yetu kila mahali. Usubscribe. Na waambie kila mtu.
Let us see.
Tutashukuru.
Yeah. Tutashukuru sana kabisa.
Yes.
Sana kabisa. So tunasema sasa kwaheri. Asanteni sana. Wadugu, wadada, wadadi, watoto, sijui wajirani yote. Tunawapenda sana bado na tunashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Tunasema asante sana. Tunasema asanteni. Bye, kwaherini.
Every kiss is better than the last.